Welcome to Virtual APLF Tour. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how to navigate the platform and the functions that enable exhibitors and buyers to interact. Let's start. Lobby. Each exhibitor or buyer will receive a unique link to enter the Virtual APLF event. This link's function is like an exhibitor badge, which means only you can use it to enter the exhibition during the virtual events. Once you click the link, you will land on the virtual exhibition lobby. Here, on the navigation bar, you can find Exhibition Hall, where you can find all the exhibitors, Conference Hall, where the webinars will be held, Product Showcases, in which all the products and services of our exhibitors are displayed, Networking Lounge, where you can find and interact with fellow attendees, Exhibition Hall. We are now in the Exhibition Hall. You can find all the exhibitors here. You can scroll down to find the suppliers, or use the filter function on the left-hand side to narrow down the exhibitors you would like to meet. If you find a supplier interesting, you can click to enter their booth. Inside the booth you can find the exhibitor's information, materials to download and contact information. Under the Product tab you can find the exhibitor's products and services. Back to the top, next to the booth, you will find several interaction buttons. On the event day, exhibitors and buyers can chat and conduct video calls. If buyers prefer to schedule a meeting, they can click the Meetup button, which will bring them to the exhibitor's schedule page. Buyers can select their preferred meeting date and time and fill in the detail of this meetup. After clicking the Schedule Appointment button, both buyer and exhibitor will receive a confirmation email for the meetup. Please remember to attend according to the meeting time. Product Showcase. The Product Showcase lists all the products and services of the exhibitors. You can scroll down or use the filter function to narrow down the products you want to find. Buyers can enter an exhibitor's booth by clicking the company name, or use the chat or meetup functions, which are similar to the functions at exhibitors' booths. Participant and Networking Lounge. During the event day all participants will be listed on this page. By clicking the chat button, a chat box will pop up, where you will be able to message, video call or send a file. Inside this chat box there is also a public networking lounge where you can introduce yourself, interact with the participants, ask questions, or join a discussion. I hope you have understood how the Virtual APLF platform works. If you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to APLF anytime.